So I get up and I wake up, I eat breakfast from the motel or hotel I'm staying at. Every hotel I wake up, I sleep or rent from, I always wake up and see what kind of food they have. It's not appetizing, but it's something better than nothing, and I'd rather just go to Walmart and buy whatever and cook. I don't like to wake up and at two Ventran's house and there's nothing to eat. I'm hungry, I'm starving. It's just, I don't like his food at all. I don't like to eat cheapskate people's food. You might call me champagne taste and an empty bill wallet, but hey, I still eat comfort food, good food, classy food. I go buy my own food. Go buy my own seafood, steaks, and I marinate and cook it how I want it. I'm my own boss. Don't tell me how to cook my food. Don't tell me how to, run my business or whatever. And don't tell me how to eat my own food. I know what I'm doing. With this, grits is something to eat better than nothing to eat. That's the American way. But the Vietnamese, Asian American way, rice porridge is the way to go. I'm a very picky eater. I don't just eat everything I see or anything I see. I don't like to get fat eating garbage food. That's why all these years I'm very skinny, because I'm very picky what I'm eating. What I cook, everything has to be fresh ingredients, fresh. Second, the only breakfast sausage that I love to eat and I always buy is Jimmy Dean, or what is that brand? Johnsville or something. That sausage, the long sausage that is kept frozen or fresh at, Aldi's or Walmart or Publix. That's the kind. The raw sausage, and you fry it up. That's the kind of sausage I love. I don't really love to eat these kind of round sausage, but I'm staying at the motel. I'm paying for the room. It's free for me in the morning, so why not? It's better than starving. Tomorrow, I bought this for $1 at Dollar Tree. But these are good. They're salty, crispy, fresh. I want to make guacamole and dip it with guacamole. I eat good in the neighborhood. Every day, morning, afternoon, dinner, I eat different food. Maybe morning for breakfast, I might eat, like you have seen my video, that beef with the sauce right here at the base, and cilantro. I love cilantro, and adding some sriracha and the fish sauce and MSG, flavor it, salt and pepper, add water to it, cook it medium rare. That's my breakfast. My lunch would be, before I go to work, I eat so that I have energy to go to work. So it'll fill me up for the whole entire day and night. And then by the time I get off of work, I take a shower and then I eat. Or I eat and take a shower. So, and then I hit the bed. But I have to smoke my cigarette, so. Nighttime, nighttime, I might buy some, what is it, ribeye steak or sirloin or steak, and I, flame broil it. So I eat different every day, and then when I'm in the mood, I might get some shrimps and prawns and just dip it in hot water and boil it for a little bit, and not too long so it won't be rubbery, and then add some cilantro, add some garlic, lime juice, fish sauce, and chili pepper, and eat it. You mix it up, eat it with rice. Something better than nothing to eat. So I eat like Laos people, but I love spicy food. That's why my skin is bad, because I break out eating spicy or sweet. The sweet kind of food I'll eat is like strawberry rolls, snowballs, zebra cakes. I love those kind of food. Strawberry shortcakes. I don't like to eat Burger King's food. I eat Vietnamese sandwich. I just eat good. I love to eat Asian food. I eat this, it keeps me warm. When it's freezing and cold outside, it keeps my body temperature warm, so I don't have to turn on the heater in my bedroom. Well, thank you for joining me, and you see what I eat every day. I like to eat comfortable. Yes, I'm a big eater, but riding a bike, it burns out a lot of energy, so I have to refuel. Have a good night.